educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I missed. I know that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness.
Alrighty guys, so I'm about to do my hair. Gonna cut it. Just kinda, doing my thing. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my weave in. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna be using this on the #1 guard, I think. And then I'm gonna take this off and do the sides. Do a little line work. So keep watching, then I want to put my weave in. Alright. #1 guard. Be back. Alrighty guys, so this is what it looks like. One side, another side. And guys, there won't be many videos like this unless in the future I become better at this. But right now, that's what it's looking like. That's what it's looking like. We'll see. So I'm gonna cut some lines right in here. And I already did my line up, which I take the guard off to do my line up. There's a little piece sticking out. I did a line up over here, but I should have kept my baby hairs, because it would look better with the hair extensions I'm about to add, but it's all good. Alrighty guys, so this is what the side looks like. You can see. Guys, I'm in my brown stuff, so I ain't trying to show you too much. I'm kind of naked. But yeah. What it's looking like. That's pretty good. What y'all think? Comment below. Now I'm going to do the other side. And guys, I do have a mirror, 2 mirrors that's connected. One in front, one on the side, left and right. And yeah. Alrighty guys, so I tried to be creative. And it didn't work out. So I'm going to have to. This side I didn't touch, but this side I can't touch because my hair is so thin on the sides. So if I even make a line, it won't look good. But this side, I'm going to see what I can do. I'm going to add some mascara to it, and I'll be back. Alrighty, guys. So I'm back. This is the side. Let's see. But yeah. Don't mind the front. I just filled in the parts where it didn't look too good. But I think this will work. I'll show y'all the other side. And guys, I might put a little bit on the front too. And it's like I said, it's waterproof mascara. And it's by Maybelline. Maybe it's Maybelline. I mean Maybelline. Right. And I put the mascara on, I'm gonna show you how I did that. And I just took a little bit and basically just go like that. And I did the same thing on this side, so one side don't look darker than the other. And now I'm about to go over this side. And like I said, guys, this is waterproof mascara by Maybelline. So it shouldn't smear as much It will smear if you ain't careful. And this helps fill in the thin spots and to correct mistakes when you're trying to make designs in your hair. Yeah, it's not bad. What y'all think? Yeah, that's why I don't really like wearing my hair black. I don't like wearing black hair. It's because you can see where I'm thinning and balding. I'm older now, guys. I'm 30 and I'm a cutie. Man, free. Tell me what y'all think. I'm about to put it in a weave. I might post some pictures of the weave once I finish my hair. Don't that look purdy? Not real purdy. I think I did an okay job, except when I tried to freestyle on this side. It looked decent because of the mascara. But bear with me now. Okay? Okay. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching my video. I'm gonna be back with weave. And guys, I'm gonna do a black kinky straight weave, so stay tuned. And it's gonna be a mohawk going backwards. Yeah.